Hello, I'm Chris with Goss RV and welcome to RV 101, where you will learn the basics of everything you need to know about luxury motorcoach travel. After this series, you'll be ready to take the adventure of a lifetime, so let's get started. Living the luxury motorcoach life hinges on comfort, which means that you can do everything on the road that you would normally do at home. You can take a shower, wash dishes, do a load of laundry, and use the restroom, all while on the road. Monitoring and emptying the sewage tank is an essential part of the luxury motorcoach's experience. To get started, locate the sewage gauge in your coach. Once the gauge reaches 75%, emptying the tank should become a priority. To empty the sewage, the motorcoach must be parked at locations that allows for and is equipped for the emptying of sewage. There will typically be a designated area for this at your RV resort. The motorcoach has a sewage hose located in the driver's side bay built to transfer dirty water into an underground tank. Once the hose is lowered and unwound, the hose must be placed inside the sewage opening hole. If you are parked at an RV resort, you can leave the hose in the local sewage tank for the duration of your stay to keep the vehicle's sewage tank empty. A perk to luxury motorcoach travel is having immediate access to water for showering, making dinner, and doing dishes or laundry. Each motorcoach has a water line in a driver's side bay, and the water hose is connected to a spigot inside the bay. Connect the hose to the local water supply and turn the local water supply on. Once this is done, water will be transferred to the bus. If you are parked at an RV resort, you can leave the hose connected and on for the duration of your stay to keep the vehicle's water tanks full. Thank you for joining us. To learn more and to talk to us about creating an amazing luxury motorcoach experience, reach out to us on our website at gossrv.com or give us a call. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow us on social media for more helpful tips and tricks around luxury motorcoach vehicles. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.